Hey everybody, it's another person, and today we're playing Uno with and friends. Later, well, we're gonna play a few rounds, and yeah, I'm just gonna play. I don't want to use any effects. Okay, if you guys don't know how to play this, it's kind of just like um. Well, you're just gonna have to watch to find out and see if you know what I mean. Okay, we're waiting for him to put the same color card down. And if he has like another different like this. Okay. Here we go. He has to get the same color card, and if he doesn't have the same color card, he has to well, if they have a different color card but it's the same as this, um it's to red. Hey, we're doing pretty good. We're almost to Uno. Uno is whenever you only have one card. Oh, come on, stop doing that, man. Just stop. Oh my god, if you do that again, I will slap you. I'm gonna keep it on the same color. Oh, they got it on that color. Wait, I got it. See, I can do that because I have the same number card, but although it's not the same, it still works. Wait. Let me just skip him real quick. That was a bad idea. I only have one. Wait. There we go. I almost. Blue. Mm. Now you just messed up, man. We're almost to uno, guys. We almost to uno, you. Oh, bro. We're not almost to uno now. Come on, just draw something. Yeah, one green. Yeah, we're gonna only use this whenever we actually need it, boys. If you guys don't know what that noise is, it's just my shoes, because I have shoes on it while I was playing. Yeah. Well, I could also change it to this color, but I can't anymore. Draw six cards. Hello, you about to draw the yellow or no? Okay, here we go. Thanks. Thanks, bud. Yeah, we can make him draw 4 cards, cause he kept doing that to me. I'm gonna make him draw 4 cards. He's gonna be clean as he draws a card. Oh, bro, I wanted to make him. Don't skip me this time, bro. Don't. Dude, do you want him to win or not? Or not? Bro, you want him to win. Retarded. He's retarded. This is why you don't skip me. I legitimately had that. I had him in the bag. Look. Ew, you're ugly and fat. Nobody likes you. Ugh, you're ugly and fat. Nobody likes you. New game. New game. Okay, good. Can't stop, won't stop, get quiet. Everybody on here looks a little bit ugly. Aquí estamos, Dagiga. Okay, that's good. That's good. We can make him draw some cards. Hey. Come on, have something I have. Wait a second, guys. I'm back, guys. There we go. Draw card. Bro. Come on, bro. Not cool. Not cool. Yes. The tingle skirt. Tingle skirt. Skip it up. Poop. Poop. Skirt. Hey. You got one ear now. Ha! Oh. Come on, way. Jeremy. At least I got third place. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you dudes, and I will see you berries in the next video.